So this is my unboxing of the Sony a7C. This is a full frame camera with the Sony E-mount. Really good focus on here apparently. They call it 4D focus now. So when we open up the box, we are presented with some paperwork, including an offer of a 1-year extended warranty, which is nice to see. Also some reference guide, paperwork, and also a little instruction manual as well to get us up and running. Then when we look inside the main compartment, we've of course got the camera here. We've got some additional accessories. We've got a Sony a7C branded camera strap inside the box. We've also got a charger. So a little tiny external charger, USB on one end, figure 8 connector on the opposing end. We've also got the battery itself, and these batteries have got really good battery life, so very, very good battery life. This is the Sony NP-FZ100. This should keep your camera running nicely for a long time. It's always a good idea to use original batteries as well. They tend to perform better than third-party ones. Then further down inside the box, we've got this compartment here, which has got a European adapter and also a 3-pin UK adapter. That's everything inside that section there. And then we've got the camera itself, which we'll take a look at in a short while. And then just under here, something you mustn't miss is your USB cable. So it's USB-A on one end, which plugs into that charger, and also USB-C on the opposing end, which goes into the camera. And then we got the camera itself, the Sony a7C, A7, and the C stands for compact. And this is essentially the same as the Sony a7 III, but in a more compact body. And it's also using the new Sony color science. You're going to get slightly different color science out of this in comparison to the a7C, and also slightly less controls, because a more compact body means less room for physical controls. If we look around on the bottom here, we've got the battery compartment for that nice big battery. If we look on the front, of course, we've got where we put the lens release just here. On this side here, we've got various covers, and if we open these up, the top one, we have got the microphone input. So it's a 3.5mm microphone input. Just close it up. They feel really nice covers on this as well. This one here is the single memory card slot, which takes SD cards. And then this bottom one here will be USB-C, micro HDMI, and also a headphone monitoring jack on the bottom here. So you can actually monitor the audio. On the opposing side, nothing at all apart from the NFC contact point and of course the grip. If we look around on the back, we have got the viewfinder in the top right with a diopter adjustment, menu button, AF on button, function button, little scrolly wheel, which also acts as a rocker, and an OK button in the middle, playback, and the trash can. And then, something I forgot to show you on the bottom, which is of course a centrally mounted, or central to the lens, tripod mount. And then also on the back, something quick to show you is the screen, which is fully articulating, so you can have it at whatever angle you want, which is really nice to see. And then of course the controls across the top here. We've got a hot shoe mount, what looks like, I think that's probably the microphone just here. Then we've got the mode dial, which is quite a simplified mode dial, but we've still got 3 custom slots as well. We've got the on-off rocker just here. And then of course we've got the record button, and then we've got exposure compensation. Just on the back at the top here, this is another little control dial here as well. And of course we've got the thumb rest. Really nice feeling grip though. Feels like an absolutely superb camera. Really nice ergonomics, and it just looks absolutely fantastic. This should produce really stunning results.